Hello. So I'm putting up a video of me solving a Rubik's Cube. Everybody look at that, man.
How about you look at this right there? It's right there. Right here.
I've seen a lot of Rubik's Cube videos.
It's supposed to be like right here. Yep, there it is.
So what up?
I'm solving a Rubik's Cube.
Did you want cupcakes? Cupcake.
Okay.
What are you guys even watching?
Alright, we're getting close to the end. Everybody look at the camera. And so you can see y'all's usernames. Kind of like a shout out.
Wait.
I can get out. Y'all spread out. Y'all spread out.
This is not my username, by the way. Like,
There, hold up. Everybody get in the line. You right here. You right here. You, bro. Come here. Stand right here.
Where am I gonna
You stand right here.
Me?
Yeah, you stand right here. You, bro. Come here. Stand right here, bro. Bro, stop spitting, bro. Okay, alright, I'm pretty sure the video is done. Yeah, it is. This is the usernames of the people that helped me with this video. So, yeah.
Subscribe to my channel.
No.
Don't subscribe to his channel. We're talking about the other person's channel, bro. Shut the
Subscribe to...
Everybody subscribe.
Like and subscribe to Kid Jack's J.
And also subscribe to him.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Kid Jack's J. Subscribe to him.
Wait. Wait a minute. We forgot. Subscribe.
Kid Jack's J.
Subscribe.
Subscribe for $3 for 7 years.